Hey guys, I'm at home right now and I'm waiting for a package from the DJI Paketdienst, which basically means the German package service. Let's see where it is. Package arrived. Time to open it. A little bit of bubble wrap. And it looks like we got ourselves, if you guys know the label, a battery. Another battery. Another battery. A backpack. A charging hub. And last but not least, Future of Possible. You guys know where that's from? The Future of Possible. That sounds pretty good. So some of you might know that I love to fly drones. I have two of them, or I used to have two of them. One of them flew in the water at MLove up in the North Sea, or I think it's North Sea or EC. And then the second one I have still, and I've been flying that for a while. It's the Phantom 3. It has a nice gimbal and a GoPro 3 on it. It's a Phantom 3 with a gimbal with a GoPro 3, and I have just received a new drone, which is the DJI 4, which I'm pretty stoked to bust open. Let's take a look. This thing is sealed up pretty good. Let's take a look. Cut it open. Got a new steak knife, which is a lot better. Pretty stoked about getting this, the DJI 4. A little bit of tape. And the box itself is pretty well built, as you guys can see here. Nice box. I see a lot of people that have these, they just use the box itself as a transportation thing. Turn it to unlock it. Boom. Let's see what this guy looks like. There it is, the new DJI Phantom. The drone here. Got the controller. I'm hoping my old iPad works with the controller here. Put it on this side. And we got the props here. I send you 6 props, which is nice. And everything's like snap-on. Nice. Motors, everything snap-on. The charger. Pretty heavy-duty charger. And the cable for Germany. For Europe. I'll definitely be using this on my trips. When you live in Europe, you have to account for all the different languages. I think in the US, where I'm from, you probably have to account for 2. Let's see how many catalogs they have here. Take a look here. So we have, what language is this? Russian. We have, what is this language? I have no idea. This is Rapido. It could be Catalanish or whatever. This is German. I could do this one. One, two. They have Italian. They have, looks like French. And they have crazy amount. They have also, maybe that one was Portuguese. This is, looks like Spanish. And then obviously they have English as well. So that's a major amount of catalog. This came with it too, and as each country has their own laws regarding flying these things, they have one for Denmark, for Switzerland, and for France. As you can see, Switzerland has 3 languages. So what does it say? So this must be Denmark. So minimum, what does that mean? So I just did my first flight with my new drone, the Phantom 4. It's very smooth, the gimbal works excellently. I have to check out the images when I download it. The interface is nice, it's a lot easier, a lot more intuitive than the old one, where it was all fly by joysticks. Now it's touchscreen and joysticks, which makes it a lot easier. So that's it. Next stop, probably fly in Croatia. You have to stay away from the road at least a minimum of 150 meters. I'm not quite sure what that means.